Hi po, ang ating main ingredients today is singkamas or Chinese potato. 3 ingredients lang ang kailangan: Chinese potato, pork, and dried mushroom. Natutunan ko itong recipe ito dito sa Hong Kong. Kaya po today, isi-share ko po ito sa inyong lahat kung paano ito lulutuin. Stay tuned! So, ganito lang po ang gagawin natin. Babalatan natin siya. After mabalatan, and then i-slice natin siya thin slices or strip. You can also shredded. You can do anything po kung alin po sa inyo ang mas madaling paraan. Some are cutting into cubes. Other also they're using grater to shredded the Chinese potato. This recipe is very simple at madali lang po siyang sundan. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, ako nga po pala si Ann Kim and Kat. Welcome sa aking kusina. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para updated kayo sa mga bagong recipe. Just continue cutting. As you can see, not very thin po yung strips natin. Yung katamtaman lang po yung haba at yung thickness niya. Yan po, na-slice na natin lahat. Then, set aside na po natin for later use. Next step po, itong dried mushroom. Babad po natin siya ng mainit na tubig for few minutes. Then, after that, pag nakita na po nating soft at pwede na po siyang may slice, then we will rinse out. Yung iba po sinisave nila yung water to use para pang sauce mamaya sa lulutuin. So, ayan po siya. And then, slice din natin into thin strips. Same as the way we do in singkamas or Chinese potato. Kung nakaabot ka hanggang dito, just leave any comments, place or country you were in para alam ko kung hanggang saan naabot ang video ito. Thank you so much! If you are done cutting the mushroom, transfer into a bowl, then set aside. Next is pork tendon. Rinse natin siya sa running tap water, and then after rinsing, cut natin siya into section and then strips. Pork tendon nga pala is a highly nutritious food that is packed with protein, collagen, and other essential nutrients. Collagen is has been linked numerous health benefits, including improved joint health, skin elasticity, and digestive function. Habang nagkakat tayo ng pork, shout out muna po tayo sa ating mga supporters. kay Sir Kamikanico Mix TV, Ma'am Emmy Rose Divine Vlog, Baby Bitoy, Simply Norven Variety, Pianach, Papsi Nowelski, Rose Barreto, Ivy Verances. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Kung gusto niyo magpa-shoutout, just leave your message or comment below. Thank you! Sa mga interesado, na-post ko na po ito before, just go to my channel, Aunt Kim and Kat. Click videos, scroll down and look for Chinese potato stir-fry recipe. Kung may katanungan po kayo or anything regarding this recipe, I'm happy to help. Just leave your comment or message below, and also I would appreciate any likes, shares, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you! Now, tapos na po tayong mag-cut ng pork. Transfer in a bowl, then set aside. Next, magmamarinate na po tayo. 1 tablespoon of light soy, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and dash of black pepper. One teaspoon of cornstarch. Stir lang po natin siya until well combined. Pero sa tingin po ninyo ay kulang, you can add more seasoning according to your preferences. Then tapos na po tayong nag-prepare. So next na gagawin natin is to crush the garlic. I'm using 4 cloves of garlic. Depende rin po sa inyo kung ilan garlic po ang gagamitin ninyo. And then tanggalin ang balat. Prepare natin yung kawali, then add some oil. When it's hot, ang first na stir fry natin is yung dried mushroom. So, stir fry po lang natin siya until makita natin na medyo brownish. Yan, fry lang. So, ganyan po siya. Pag medyo brown na po siya, pwede na po siyang i-dish out and set aside. Next ulit, on the same pan, i-fry na po natin yung garlic until the aromatic flavor is come out. Stir fry po natin siya until maging brown ng konti. Huwag po masyadong burned. Brown lang po. And then ilagay na po natin yung inarinate nating pork kanina. So, igisa-gisa lang po natin ng ganyan. Leave it for a while and then ayan, continue stir frying. Pag nagisa-gisa po natin, mag-add lang po tayo ng konting water para maluto po yung pork na ginagisa natin. Pag nakita nyo okay na siya, yung pork is luto. And then dish out and and set aside. On the same pan, again, add po natin yung Chinese potato or singkamas in a pan. So, stir fry lang po natin yan, fry, hanggang sa maluto yung singkamas. So, makikita naman po natin siya if a little bit transparent, nagbago yung kulay, pero wag po too well done para hindi po siya ma-overcook. Dapat po, it should be crunchy. Yan, gisa-gisa natin. Cook for a few minutes. When it's done, add po natin yung dried mushroom followed by yung in-stir fry nating pork kanina. Stir fry lang po natin siya saglit hanggang sa ma-mix lahat. Since natimpla na po siya, so hindi na po siya kinakailangang timplahin pa, pero nasa sa inyo po kung sa tiningin nyo ay kulang pa sa panlasa ninyo. So, you can add more, a little bit seasoning. And then, pwede na po natin siyang i-transfer into a serving plate, then serve. Yan po ang ating recipe for today. Sana po magustuhan ninyo itong na-share ko today. Enjoy! Kung meron po kayong katanungan or any question about my recipe, please feel free to comment or leave any message down below, and I'll be right back to you as soon as I can. Please subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipe. Thank you so much!